Hey everyone, this is Aishna. Welcome to my channel. So lately I have got a couple of queries from students around how to handle the nervousness we face during interviews. Now this is a very common question and mostly freshers face this a lot, and also those who are experienced also, trust me, it's a human nature, so kind of every one of us faces this issue. So I made this separate video specifically because of the number of queries I was getting around this after the live session I conducted with the students. So in that also this question was repeatedly asked. So here I am with a few tips on how can you handle the nervousness or the fear element which you face during interviews. So the first point which I will be talking about might sound very generic to you, but trust me, if you do that, it will make a lot of difference in the way you appear for your interviews. So you have to believe that you are not perfect. You have to accept the fact that you might commit mistakes. So if what we continuously do is we keep fighting for perfection, we think that no, we don't have the luxury to make any mistake, and that continuously adds more and more nervousness when we are going for anything like an interview, or we are talking to strangers, we are striking a communication, we are doing a presentation, or we are doing public speaking. So all of these scenarios, don't strive for perfection. We all are human beings and we can commit mistakes. So have that acceptance, have that calmness within you that okay, even if I commit a mistake, it's okay. I can always come back from that. So the second point is practice and record your sessions. So what happens is normally when we are practicing person to person, we don't really see how we are talking. We just believe on what the other person's feedback is. But self-analysis is very much important. So all of us have a mobile phone. We can always go ahead and record our sessions. Whoever you are practicing with, friends, relatives, colleagues, anybody, just record the session and go through it again and again. See how your facial expressions are, see what your body language is, see which are the questions where you are going blank or you're taking a long pause, and then work on those pain points, and then it will lead to much more perfection and much more understanding of where exactly you need to work. So make sure you record your sessions, make sure you take feedback from others, and you also write down what all things you feel need to be improved in your own way of expressing. Point number three is when you are going through the recordings, make sure you see what kind of words you are repeatedly using. Normally, what happens is when we are talking, we don't realize that we are using a lot of times, very. So these kind of repetitive words automatically come into our way of talking. So this doesn't look good when you are in an interview. So you have to, revisit your audio, and you have to see that, if you are doing this repeatedly, you need to have control on it and practice in a way where you do not go for such kind of redundant words. Now, point number four is when you are inside the interview room. So you have to be very mindful about the facial expression of your panelist. You have to take care that they don't lose interest in what you're talking about. They are checking their phones, or going through the documents, but not really face to face interacting with you. So the moment you see this, you have to catch this and you have to change the discussion. You have to bring in something new. You have to try and make it interactive. You have to do some kind of voice modulation or anything like that, because what happens is if it's not a two-way communication, or if you see that someone you're talking to is not interested in listening to what you're saying, automatically your confidence level will start going down. So try and make it a two-way communication at every point, so that automatically you have a greater confidence level. Point number five is a very simple point which we often tend to forget, but what is the key to your confidence is your preparation. So make sure you are thoroughly prepared for any interview you are appearing, and you have to focus on your strong points. Don't try to cover each and everything, but make sure what you are good at, you are good at. Don't miss on that. So that is something which will bring a lot of calmness in you, and even if you derail at some place, you will be able to catch up again. So please be thorough with your preparations, and that will do wonders for you. So at the end, I want to share a quick tip. A lot of people who do public speaking or those who present very regularly, they use a very quick hack to reduce their anxiety levels. So what you can do during the interviews as well is carry a very small bottle of chilled water. Biologically proven, when our palms are exposed to lesser temperatures, it automatically brings down the anxiety level our brain has. So this can be a quick hack for anyone of you who feels very nervous during the interview. So if you like my content, do give me a thumbs up. It really motivates me to make more and more videos. I hope these pointers would have helped you in reducing your anxiousness around interviews, would have brought a little bit of smile on your faces. See you in another video, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it across. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.